Hey everybody, welcome to my teaching space where I teach kids English classes from Skype. I do that in the mornings here in my garage. Welcome to my space. I just wanted to make a quick video to you to let you know about the spring break mission trip. I know you've seen a lot of emails, but I just wanted to give you my last minute pitch, okay? Spring break is at the end of March. This isn't a mission trip for summer. It's one for that spring break week-long section. If you don't have plans and you're planning to stay on campus, that could be fun. It could be restful. But maybe another thing that could be fun is to go see the different ministries in Salem. One of the days on our mission trip, we'll be doing a soccer clinic for kids. So if you love soccer or you love kids, this could be a lot of fun. Other days we'll work in gardens and work with people who have no food. Some days we'll work for refugees and some days we'll work for the homeless. In fact, how about I go ahead and show you exactly what we are doing. I'm going to show you right now the schedule that we have. This is the Serve in See Salem schedule. As you can see up here, Sunday before the trip, we're going to have a team dinner, worship, and planning session. Monday of spring break, this is March 25th. We're at the Homeless Connect, helping out with homelessness issues. There's a day that we're going to be at the Marion Polk Food Share and Farm. And there's also a day that we're going to be playing soccer with kids. And on Friday, we're going to end the day early after we do some work with refugees. So this is our schedule for the week. The cost for this mission trip is only $50, and the only reason you have to spend $50 is to cover food for the week. That's right. If you join this spring break Serve and See mission trip, we'll cover all of your lunches and dinners and all of your gas to go to the different places for that $50. We still have about 5 spaces left, maybe 4. And on Tuesday of next week, I'm going to give those 4 spaces to Americans who really want to join the trip, but I wanted to give you, my international people, one last chance. So, why should you join the Serve and See spring break mission trip? 1, because we're going to go see a lot of different parts of Salem. 2, because we're going to bless a lot of people by the work that we're doing. And 3, we're going to be together, which is going to be a lot of fun. So, if you'd like to join the Serve and See spring break mission trip, all I need from you is for you to respond to this video or respond to my email and tell me that you are in, and I will send you an application that you can fill out and get back to me and instructions on how to pay the $50 fee. On behalf of my leaders, Shaba, Milda, and Weiss, thank you guys so much. We'd love for you to join. Thank you. God bless.